Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture of the course Digital Signal Processing. In the previous lecture, we have considered the algorithm that is decimation frequency fast Fourier transform. So now let us consider a simple example in order to understand that algorithm better. So let us consider n equal to 4-point DFT to be calculated for a signal x of n which is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, where this one is located at n equal to 0. And we are going to use DIF FFT. Now we know that we have exactly the flipped version of the butterfly structure that we obtain in DIT FFT. So the structure of DIF FFT would be entirely flipped form as compared to the DIT FFT. So we know that initially we would be requiring the number of stages which is m that are required, or the number of stages in the entire structure of this DIF FFT. So that can be given as m, and that can be calculated using the same formula, that is log L to the base 2 to the power with a seal. So we have it as log 4 to the base 2, that comes out to be log of 2 to the power 2 base 2, which is equal to 2. So we are going to consider two stages, and we know that the first stage, or the stage 1, would be 4-point DFT. So in that case we would be having the twiddle factor as W4 to the power k, and this k would be varying from 0 to 4 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. And the stage 2 would be 2-point DFT, and for that we would be having it as like this, where this k would be from 0 to 0. So this we can consider because we know that the structure of this DIF FFT is entirely flipped version of DIT FFT. From that we can just consider it like this. So let us try to find out the structure one by one, and in case of DIF FFT there is no need to perform bit reversal initially, whereas the output that we are going to get would be in the bit reversed form. So initially we just need to consider the same sequence. So what we have is, we have 4 points with us. So let us consider it something like this. So we have x of 0 equal to 1, x of 1 equal to 2, x of 2 equal to 3, x of 3 as 4, and in the stage 1 we need to combine the points this and this, that is x of 0 and x of 2. So it can be done something like this. So we have it like this here. So the scaling factor is 1, 1, 1 and minus 1, and the twiddle factor that we have here is W4 to the power 0. The value that we obtain here would be 1 plus 3, so that comes out to be 4. Similarly, the value that we obtain here would be 1 minus 3 whole multiplied by W4 to the power 0, and this W4 to the power 0 is 1, so it is 1 minus 3, that comes out to be minus 2. So the value that we have here is minus 2. Similarly, we need to combine the points here and here. So what we have here is scaling factor as 1, 1, 1 and minus 1, and the twiddle factor is W4 to the power 1, and this W4 to the power 1 can be calculated as e to the power minus j 2 pi by 4 into 1, so that comes out to be e to the power minus j pi by 2, which is equal to minus j. So this W4 to the power 1 is minus j. So what we have is, at this point we have the addition of 2 plus 4, so it is 2 plus 4, that comes out to be 6. Similarly, at this point we have 2 minus 4 into minus j, so it is minus 2 into minus j, that comes out to be 2j. So what we have here is j times 2. So this completes the stage 1 of our DIF FFT. So this is our stage 1, and the stage 2 is the 2-point DFTs. So for that we are going to combine these 2 points and these 2 points. So we have the butterfly structure like this. So we have the scaling factors as 1, 1, 1 and minus 1 here, and the twiddle factor as W2 to the power 0. So the value that we obtain here would be given as 4 plus 6, that comes out to be 10. Similarly, the value here can be given as 4 minus 6 into W2 to the power 0. So this has the value as 1. So it is 4 minus 6, that comes out to be minus 2. Similarly, we can consider the next 2 points something like this. The scaling factors would be 1, 1, 1 and minus 1, and the twiddle factor would be again W2 to the power 0. So the value here that we obtain is minus 2 plus j2. So we have here minus 2 plus j2. Similarly, the value that we have here would be minus 2 minus j2 into W2 to the power 0, but this is again 1, so we have it as minus 2 minus j2, and this completes the stage 2. Now we know that these values that we have obtained are in bit reversed form. So if we consider the initial sequence or the required sequence as x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So the value of k is 0 here, which can be represented as 0, 0. The value of 1 can be represented as 0, 1. The value of 2 can be represented as 1, 0. The value of 3 can be represented as 1, 1. So if we bit reverse this, what we obtain is again 0, 0. Bit reversal of this would be 1, 0. Bit reversal of 1, 0 would be 0, 1. And bit reversal of 1, 1 would be 1. So this gives 0. This 1, 0 is 2. This 0, 1 is 1. And this 1, 1 is 3. So the sequence in which we are going to obtain the value of x of k would be x of 0, then x of 2, then we are going to obtain x of 1, and then we are going to obtain x of 3. So what we have here is this 10 is x of 0, then we are going to obtain x of 2, so this minus 2 is x of 2, then this is x of 1 and this is x of 3. So the final sequence or the DFT that we have obtained is x of k is equal to 10, which is located at k equal to 0. Then we have minus 2 plus j2, then we have minus 2, and then we have minus 2 minus j2, and this is the 4-point DFT for given x of n. So in this lecture we considered a simple example for 4-point DFT of the given simple signal of DIF FFT. So initially we need to find the value of stages and accordingly find the twiddle factor values and this k values, and accordingly we need to consider the first stage which is 4-point and the second stage that is 2-point DFT and perform the respective calculations and get the value of x of k, which is obtained like this. So let's stop here. Thank you.